Hello everyone, welcome to Vicky's Chinese class. Learn idiomatic and fluent Chinese with Vicky. Today's topic is how to say sorry in Chinese. Before we begin our class, let's have a look at a picture. Did you find anything? I will explain it later. First of all, sorry in Chinese is 对不起. 对不起. The response to 对不起 is 没关系. 没关系. After me, please. 对不起. 对不起. 没关系. 没关系. But notice, actually, sorry is not equal to 对不起 because we Chinese only say 对不起 when we make a mistake. So, for example, 对不起，对不起，对不起，我迟到了。对不起，我迟到了。对不起，我弄坏了你的手机。对不起，我弄坏了你的手机。So we won't say 对不起 in the following cases.
我感冒了，对不起。我家的车坏了，对不起。In this case, my car broken down, but it was not your fault, so no need to say 对不起 to me.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your watching. If you think it's very useful, please subscribe my channel to get more videos for free. And if you have any questions, please leave me a message below. I'm Vicky. Thank you again. See you next time. Bye bye.